Students, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Meglearn. Today I am going to show you the format of income and expenditure account. As you can see that this is a format of income and expenditure account. In the previous videos also I had explained you the final accounts of not-for-profit organization. Therein we discussed the receipts and payment account. Also we discussed income and expenditure account, and today I am presenting you the format of income and expenditure account. This is a rough sketch of income and expenditure account. As you can see here, the debit side of income and expenditure account, we have the expenditure, and in the credit side we have the income. So as you can see, in the expenditure account we have salaries, rent, electricity expenses, loss on sale of assets, repairs, depreciation, etc. And in the income side we have subscription, then we have donations that are general donations. Specific donations will not be recorded here. Interest on investments, sale of grass, sale of all newspapers, entrance fees, profit on sale of asset, profit on sale of assets. So these are a few items which should be recorded in the income and expenditure account. Subscription is a very common term which you will find everywhere in the not-for-profit organization. What is subscription? Subscription is a kind of membership fees which is paid by the members of the not-for-profit organization on annual basis. So you can see here, and you see that there are certain adjustments, right, regarding subscription. And the previous video I had also told you that only the income and expenditure related to the current year will be recorded. If there is any subscription for previous year or for the next year, will be adjusted, and if there is any outstanding for the current year, that has to be added. So these things you have to keep in mind in the preparation of income and expenditure account. And I had also told you that income and expenditure of the current year will be recorded. That is very important. And also the income and expenditures should be of revenue nature. And at the end, after preparing the income and expenditure account, we may get either deficit or surplus. Deficit, we get deficit when the expenditure side is greater than the income side. In that case we get deficit at the end. And in case if the income side is greater than the expenditure side, in that case we get surplus in the debit side. So these things you have to see carefully. And this topic is very important. As it appears in every exam, so you have to learn how to prepare income and expenditure account. So this is all about income and expenditure account. In the next video we will try to discuss some other relevant topics relating to this chapter. Thank you all.